Hi everybody, thank you for joining us. And actually I didn't intend to be back on air so soon, but I know most of you appreciate the information that we're about to share with you, and it's easier to share it in the masses rather than individual emails, text messages, and phone calls. This is in regards to the build out schedule for 2022 Corvette and the startup of 2023. Let me share with you what we have now. Keep in mind this report that we just got says initial. And the last time we got communication like this from Chevrolet, this report actually changed 3 times before everything actually started to happen. So this is the game plan, the intention from Chevrolet. So as it stands right now, for 2022 Corvette Stingray production coupe and convertible, the last production date will be May 6th. The last order date when we tag and release allocations, that's March 17th. So including this month, we have 5 more order cycles to go. That's good information for us as a dealership to have in advance. The only thing is that we don't have the quantities within those 5 months, so we can better project the people that are waiting for orders, inventory, that type of thing. And I think GM keeps that stuff close to the chest simply because they don't know and don't want to commit and overcommit essentially cars to us that we're not eventually going to get. So I appreciate and respect that. Here we go for 2023. Again, initial report, which still could change. And on this spreadsheet, it does not say Z06. So I'm not sure if they just didn't update the spreadsheet or if in fact this does not even include Z06. But the intention for 2023 coupe and convertible Stingray production begins on May 9th. Now this all happens about 4 to 6 weeks sooner than we normally change and transition over to the next model year. So again, production start for 2023, May 9th. Order entry, as far as the initial release of allocations, that will occur on March 31st. As far as entering pre-orders, that is still to be determined. I anticipate that, when you can put in a pre-order, put it at 1100 status and assign it a GM order number, I expect that to happen sometime in February. So as we get more communication from Chevrolet, I'll certainly share that with you. So for 2023 right now, not sure if that includes Z06, started production May 9th, first order cycle release March 31st. You guys will be driving 23s next summer. I hope you find this information helpful. That's all I wanted to share with you guys today. Yes, the comments are off on this video. Thank you for joining us, and I hope to see you guys sometime soon.